Did you ever cook noodles with fish? Today I'm going to show you how to incorporate fish in noodle soup. This can be a very quick meal and it's so easy to make. Let me show you the simple ingredients. What does Ling always say? When you cook fish, you need just three things: green onion, ginger, and garlic, right? And we'll separate white part from the green, and we'll just slice at an angle like this. See the side, and we just need a few pieces of ginger. Should be enough. Garlic, slice it. And I'm going to add 2 plum tomatoes. And this not only add the color and also acidity. Just cut into, what do you call that? Wedges?
Wedges.
Wedges. This way you also have your vegetable. I have 1 fish fillet. This is basa fish. It's a freshwater fish. You can also use tilapia or cod. We just slice it like this. Just be careful. If you don't feel comfortable, you can easily cut this way. This is how we slice fish. To season the fish, we're going to add a little bit of salt, white pepper powder, and if you have cooking wine, add some cooking wine. If not, skip it. And then we seal it with a teaspoon of potato starch. My noodle choice today, I'm going to use dry noodle. This is whey noodles. But you can use your choice of noodles, like rice noodles, even ramen noodles. And we are ready to cook. I'm heating up the pan to medium-high heat. Add some oil. First, let's saute a white part of green onion, ginger, and garlic. Secret ingredients: Sichuan peppercorn, green, very floral. After about 10 seconds, we add half of a tomato. Squeeze the juice. Cook about half a minute. Now we're going to add water, about 4 cups of water. That should be enough. Turn the heat to high. Bring this to boil. Now our soup is boiling. Turn down to medium-high. I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons chicken bouillon. Meanwhile, we need to start our noodles. Now it's time to drop our noodles. 2 packs for 2 servings. This will take about 5 to 6 minutes. Now we're going to drop the fish and rest of our tomatoes. Let this cook about 3 to 4 minutes. Wow, our soup looks good, almost done. I just need to taste quickly. So floral with the Sichuan pepper, just a little bit salt. A little bit white pepper powder. And we finish with green onions. So our soup is ready. Let's check on our noodles. After about 6 minutes, our noodle is ready too. 2 servings. One for Ray.
Yay.
One for me. More noodles for Ray. Now let's add our noodle. I'm sorry, add our soup to the noodles. Wow. Topped up. Second one. Cheers.
Cheers.
I have to sit down to eat it. So floral.
I love the Sichuan pepper buns.
Oh, here's the noodles.
You must slurp.
Excuse us. Let's try the fish.
Fish is so warm.
So tender. Perfectly done. Tomato really adds the color and the acidity. As I said, this can be a quick meal for lunch, for dinner. Probably you can just add another, salad, cucumber salad, right? Or stir-fry bok choy, and such easy meal. Please try to make it. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, share, and subscribe for more simple recipes. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.